Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the runtime and installing the tool you'll use. Run Python version and then pip install virtualenv in a Colab cell so the package exists in this session. Once done, make a dedicated folder and create the environment with virtualenv env/venv. This isolates packages from the system. Make sure to use a short path and note where the venv lives because you will activate it next. This avoids conflicts and keeps your notebook reproducible. Now activate and wire the environment into Colab. Use source env/venv/bin/activate inside a shell cell. If that fails, add env/venv/bin to sys. Path in a Python cell so imports resolve. Once activated, install your dependencies with pip install r requirements. txd or pip install package 1 package 2. After installation, verify with pip list and import tests like Python C import pkg. Print pkg. Version. Make sure kernel sees the same Python interpreter. Finish by saving the exact setup steps in a notebook cell or a shell script so you can recreate the environment later. Colab resets between sessions. If imports fail, restart the runtime and rerun the activation or append env/venv/bin to sys. Path. This often resolves interpreter mismatches. For dependency issues, run pip check and reinstall troublesome packages with explicit versions. If a package compiles poorly in Colab,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.